Welcome to Tribe Topper. I have MYP Math Criterion D. Question 1. Select the line equations and place them with the corresponding line. So we have the lines given to us on the graph. Out of these equations, we have to select which one fit each line. So for the first line, I'm considering the orange line. If you look at this point tells us that when x is 6, y is 0. And this point tells us that when x is 0, y is 6. So straight away the equation that fits this line would be y plus x is equal to 6, because in this line you can check that when you put x as 0 you get y as 6, when you put x as 0 you get when you put y as 0 you get x as 6. And for the other line, if we check out, this is the point, x is 0, y is 3. So that would straight away be this equation, 2y minus 3x. So put x as 0, 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3.